Redmond is known for its breathtaking scenery, towering evergreens, rolling hills, sparkling lakes, and the stunning Cascade Mountains. Whether your home overlooks a wooded backyard, a quiet neighborhood trail, or one of Redmond's serene natural landscapes, the right windows can turn those outdoor views into living artwork. That's why more Redmond homeowners are turning to custom picture windows to bring the beauty of the Pacific Northwest directly into their homes. Picture windows don't open, but they offer expansive, uninterrupted glass that maximizes natural light and captures outdoor views like no other window style. When customized to fit your home's architecture and surroundings, picture windows can transform any room into a bright, stunning, and inviting space. Here's how custom picture window designs elevate the beauty of Redmond homes and help you make the most of the region's scenic charm. Maximizing natural light for brighter, more inviting spaces. Redmond's sunny days and soft daylight make natural light one of the most desirable features in local homes. Custom picture windows allow homeowners to include larger glass panels than standard windows, which flood your home with natural sunlight and create a warm, welcoming environment. Benefits of enhanced natural light. Makes rooms feel larger and more open. Highlights interior decor and architectural details. Reduces reliance on artificial lighting. Lifts mood and improves daily comfort. With the right design, a picture window becomes the center of your living space, brightening your home from sunrise to sunset. Creating panoramic views of Redmond's outdoor beauty. Whether you live near Marymore Park, the Sammamish River Trail, or a quiet wooded area, Redmond offers incredible natural scenery. Custom picture windows are perfect for capturing these views with minimal framing and maximum clarity. Customization options include floor-to-ceiling glass panels, oversized horizontal or vertical designs, multi-panel picture window walls, curved or geometric shapes for modern homes. These design options provide a panoramic, artistic view of nature, allowing you to enjoy Redmond's outdoor beauty from inside your home, whether you're sipping coffee, reading, or entertaining guests. Complementing home architecture with personalized designs. Every Redmond home is unique, from classic craftsman designs to modern new builds. Custom picture windows can be designed to match your home's architectural style, creating seamless integration and enhancing your overall aesthetic. Design elements you can personalize. Frame materials, vinyl, fiberglass, wood-clad, aluminum, exterior colors that blend with your siding, interior finishes to complement your decor. Shape, size, and grid patterns. With so many custom options, you can create a picture window that feels perfectly tailored to your home's character. Improving energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Redmond's weather can shift quickly. Sunny summers, cool winters, and frequent rain mean your windows must perform well in every season. Today's custom picture windows are built with high-efficiency materials designed to maintain indoor comfort and reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient features include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings that block heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills, weather-resistant frame materials. Because picture windows don't open, they naturally offer fewer opportunities for air leaks, making them one of the most efficient window types for Redmond homes. Framing your home's best features. Inside and out, picture windows act like natural frames, drawing attention to the beautiful landscapes outside and highlighting the architecture inside. A perfectly placed picture window can showcase the Cascades at sunrise, highlight a landscape garden or backyard forest, create a focal point in your living or dining room, add a sense of luxury and openness to your layout. Whether you want to feature a specific outdoor view or create a dramatic interior statement, custom designs give you complete control. Adding value and modern appeal to your home, picture windows are a highly desirable feature for homebuyers. Their sleek design, modern aesthetic, and ability to brighten any space increase both your home's comfort and its long-term value. Redmond's competitive real estate market rewards homes that offer abundant natural light and updated design, and custom picture windows help your home stand out. Final thoughts. Custom picture windows offer the perfect combination of beauty, functionality, and modern design, making them an excellent upgrade for Redmond homeowners. By maximizing natural light, framing stunning outdoor scenery, improving energy efficiency, and complementing your home's style, picture windows elevate your living experience in a way few other upgrades can.